Good day, welcome to the YouTube channel. I am Lunga Rosha. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Let's learn how to make money. Thank you. 100%. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody without wasting any time. Welcome all the leaders on the call. We really appreciate your attendance and kudos to the person that has invited you and kudos to you for accepting the invitation. I am Lunga Rosha from FNE. I'm here to share this opportunity on your behalf so that you can understand how does it work and everything like that. Now, let's talk about risk warnings. So any investment platform involves risk, and much more in cryptocurrency where it carries risk, and understand this risk and consult independent financial advisors before investing. Market volatility, and also you've got policy changes by governments and so forth, and you've got technical risk may affect returns and so forth. But we are in the space. I mean, it's happening, and nobody could deny us any movement in this space. This is Royal Q. This is the company. This is why we are here. This is what we're going to be discussing. What brings this beautiful logo to us and why it's been around, as Mr. Maziane just shared, for over 7 years as we speak, and over 2 million users in the space already, and over that is 156 million plus in terms of total profit, and we talk about it operating on all over, that is 200 countries around the globe. Now, very importantly, the question why Royal Q, that's what I'm trying to address. And when we talk about trustworthy, we talk about no access to your funds. That is why you will learn as we go forward. Why am I talking about that? And again, when we talk about the robot operating 24/7, we talk about it never sleeps and operates in extremely high speed. It makes no emotions and errors in that space. Now, obviously, when we speak about novice, rest assured, these are the people that are in the crypto space. It just copy strategies from other experienced traders. So we will share how you will benefit as well around that. And very importantly, everybody wins. I mean, it pays only when you make a profit. So that's how it pays. When you make a profit, it definitely pays. This is the robot. This is Royal Q, and these are the few features on how it operates. So let's look at the market that we operate in terms of comparison. Now, when you look at it, we look at the future market. The future market is very demanding because it is suitable for experts, people that know what they're doing, and it's small trends, small upper trends can give high profit. So you can make a lot of money in this space. Small downtrends can wipe your account into zero. So this is very, very practical in this space. So if you are a person that can trade future market, you can trade it. I'm not discouraging you, because once accessing the Royal Q app, you can use it anyhow. You can trade the future market, you can trade the spot market. But we are utilizing this market, most of us, the spot market. Why? Because it is suitable for everybody. Whether you're a beginner or you're an expert, you are good to go. It sells for profit only. This is the most important thing, and no assets loss at all, only floating loss, waiting for the market to rise in order for you to pick up and make more money. Efficient and risk management as well in that space. Now, let's look at how you connect the bot to your chosen exchange, API binding. Now, Royal Q robotic crypto trading, you need an exchange in order to combine the two, in order to win between the two. Let's discuss the benefit of an exchange and also discuss the benefit of the bot. Now, when you are using the exchange, it has to be an exchange that is very, it's a digital wallet, obviously, online bank. When we talk about an exchange that do not stores money as ZAP, but it stores assets as crypto assets, just like gold, just like silver, just like oil, and other assets that you can store. So this is the same wallet that has all the features. It keeps and also trade cryptocurrency assets on your behalf, and also with your own security level. whether it is your facial, whether fingerprint or whatever the case may be, pattern or numbers, it is up to you in terms of your password withdrawal. You can withdraw anytime you want. We just advise you to withdraw whenever the market is green and it is safe and secured. Now, when we look at RoyalQ itself, it monitors the market in order for you to make more money in terms of trading. And the most important part, it is the buy part, whereby when the market is either down or up, and then you purchase and you make some more money. So buying when it's down, you make more money because you buy at the lowest price and you sell at the highest price. Now, when you sell, that's where you're making profit. No permission to withdraw your funds, and we are on the spot market. Very, very, very importantly. So it is very safe, like I just said, and it's exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about passive income. What is passive income? Passive income, this is where you save for the longest time. You try to save your 50 rands here, you save, you put in your stock orders or whatever you call it. You just have those savings. Then when you see an opportunity, you decide, you know what, this is where I'm going to take these funds here. I'm going to take these funds here and move it here in order for these funds to generate me more money. So when it generates you more money, this is where it is a system that pays you. So passive income cannot just be in a crypto space. Passive income can be in real estate. Passive income can be in real businesses, a business that can operate without you being there. That is a passive income business, because you look at ShopRite, look at it is a passive income business, because you will never find the founder of ShopRite in any of the ShopRite stores. You'll never find the founder of KFC in any of the KFC stores. You'll never find all of these guys that I just mentioned a few. Why? Because they build a system that is generating them money without them being there. They are paying for the system. That is the difference. Hence why you also pay for the RoyalQ robotic, so that it can generate you money safely, so no emotions and so forth. So that is basically passive income that we talk about. And let's see how you can benefit when it comes to this passive income. Obviously, we are in the crypto space, and this is over in this regard. This is over 23,000 cryptocurrencies around the world, and as well as you can benefit from the top 20, top 50 cryptos that we share to you in order for you to make more money in that space. So very important, ladies and gentlemen, you need what you call for passive income, this selected cryptocurrency. I always put to you and challenge you that if you are here, you have joined us, and you look at these cryptocurrencies that are selected here, and there's one that is short. There's one that is short. Please let me know on the chat which one is that. Please let me know on the charts which one is that. Now, when you look at it, BTC born in 2008, launched in 2009. It's been over 15 years as it's been in the making. It has its own also network, and you can benefit from this passively as well. Ethereum, this is very, very beautiful as well, since 2015. And it's been operating like crazy as well, starting as little, and now Ethereum, the price, you can just check it on yourself. The reason we did not write the price here, we also need to do a little bit of digging. How much is Ethereum? How much is BTC as we speak? How much is ETC as we speak since 2015 as well? How much is Solana since 2020 as well? How much is RUNE since this is chain since 2019? How much is Avalanche since 2019 as well? Matic since 2017. And BNB since 2017. There is one that is not here, but I'm not going to mention it. I would like you to write it on the chart. The one that has its own network as well, but you cannot see it here. Now, very importantly, you need to combine the two now. You've got your cryptocurrencies for passive income, then you've got your crypto exchange. Now, we spoke about what is a crypto exchange, what is a wallet, and what is a digital wallet, and how can it benefit you. Now, this is one of the top HTX one, which since 2013. This is also, we're looking at Binance since 2017. We're looking at OKEX since 2017 as well. We're looking at KuCoin since 2017, Bybit since 2018, and also MEXC since 2018 as well. So nothing was born yesterday. Nothing is launching. All these giant mechanisms that we share with you, these are proven records. Royal Q, 7 years old, and also 7 years experience, and also others. You've got 15 years experience, you've got 7 years experience, you've got 6 years experience, you've got 4 years experience, and so forth and so forth. For this reason, that is why we've got people that are making, that is 1,000 in a day, 300, and also you've got people that are making, that is 1,862 rands in a day in this space. It doesn't end there. We've got people that are making about 4,788 rands. We've got people that are making about, that is 8,817 rands. We've got people that are making exactly 28,576 rands. And it doesn't end there. In one day, by the way, we also have people that can achieve, that is exactly 41,990 rands in just one single day. How do they do it? Simple. The company, which is Royal Q, promises you 80% on your total profit. As a client, that's what you will keep. And they're just going to keep 20% as for gas fees. Now, very importantly, you as a client, you are in a position whereby you can make zero in a day because the market volatility. When the market happens to be red, like red, therefore you are not making money. The board is purchasing more assets on your behalf. But when the market picks up, that is where you can make from zero, that is 1% in a day. You can make 2% in a day. You can make 5% in a day. Today, I hear Mr. Phineas saying the market was down, but I know some people that make money. I'm part of those people, and also some few people. I know he did make some money as well, maybe not enough to make him happy as well, because he did not call to say, look, I need some more coins. Which coins do I balance myself with today as the market is like this? Now, very important, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you can make. You can even make more in a day, but on passive income, up to 5% maximum in a single day, which is very, very beautiful and awesome and very, very exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, plus or minus 5,000 in total gets you on board. This includes everything, the bot activation for 12 months, and also includes some gas fees in order to take care of you while you're trading. Now, very importantly, on this one, you can make from 0 to 100 rand a day, and obviously that is plus or minus 600 rand a day. Which one is working for you here? Now, half of these 5,000 rands will go to Royal Q 2,500 to be activated and also make more money. And you've got half of it, which is exactly 2,500, that will go to your Binance and make you more money there. Now, very importantly, you decide to inject 22,000. This is from 0 to 475 rand in one day, and of course, plus or minus 4,000 rands in a month. Now, if you look at it, you decide to inject something like 22,500, you can receive from 0 to 1,000 rands in one day. It's possible to make. It's possible to make 800 rand. It's possible to make 500 rand. It's possible to make nothing in that particular day. That is why there isn't from 0 to such amount. Now, plus or minus, that is 8,000 rand a month. Now, 53,000, you can make plus or minus from 0 to 2,275 rand in one day, and also plus or minus 20,000 a month. Now, you look at 100,000, that is, we're talking about plus or minus from 0 to 4,750 in a day, and also plus or minus 40,000 in a month. Now, 290,000, we're talking about from 0 to 14,250 in a day, and also plus or minus 120,000 in exactly a month. Now, plus or minus from 0 to 47,500, you should have injected R1 million, and also plus or minus, that is 400,000 in a month, you should have injected something like R1 million. Like I said, everything entirely depending in the market on what is happening and so forth. And now, very importantly, these are the settings for passive income. Now, when you look at it, the strategy settings, you enter with $15. You injected a minimum of, let's say, 5,000 rands. $15 is plus or minus 300 rand, if I can put it to you. Now, the margin call limit is 7. If you're joining us for the first time, you don't know what to do with this, don't worry. The person that is invited you will help you. Now, profit, we're taking 1.3% passively, and take profit callback, it's going to be 0.1%. Now, buy-in callback is going to be 0.1%. Again, sub position, take profit callback, it's going to be 0.1% as well. This is passively, we're talking about passive income. Now, when you look at it in terms of the margin configurations, this is where you're going to see it in terms of 1% times 1, and also this is the second call, it's 1% also times 1, and all 1% up to the fourth call times 1. And then when you look from the fifth call, we talk about 2% times 1, and also call number 6, 2% times 1, the last call, that is 2% times 1. You confirm and you save and you start. Which coins are you connecting here? Let me quickly remind you the coins that you are connecting. These are the coins that you are connecting: BTC, Ethereum Classic, Solana, RUN, Avalanche, and Matic, and also BNB. You can just chip in over there, Tron, TRX, there indeed. Now, very important, ladies and gentlemen, once you've got these settings, you are good to go. You should be able to make money on a daily basis when the market is good, by the way. So only we make money when the market is good. Now, whether we make examples with daily and so forth, it means that when the market is good, we make money. When the market is not good, obviously, we have those challenges. Now, one shot, it is a trading opportunity that you can benefit as well. If you want to make more money, passively you can make money. But one shot, you can make more money. Meaning that with a little bit of hand, we can have the robotics of things. We can have any technology. It still needs a human factor. Any technology you can go around the world, it needs a human factor. You just have to be educated in a better way to say, you know what, while others are studying marketing, while others are studying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, human resources and so forth, there's nothing wrong with those things. I'm going to study something whereby we're talking about robotics. I'm going to study something whereby I will know when will this kind of technology need the human factor, the human hand. It's just that the reason the jobs are scarce now in this industry, it's because very few people can operate. So we don't need 1,000 people to operate such. So you're going to be very few of the limited people. Now, one shot is whereby you assist the robotic RLQ robot to make more money. It's been proven for over 7 years. Now, very importantly, with the aim is 3% in the market per signal. The aim is to execute 300 signals in 18 months. How does it work? Let me share. Number one, this is how it works. We talk about you learning how to trade. We've got trainings to provide the skills. We've got PDFs to help you, to remind you. We've got videos, YouTube channels as well. You can just go there and also search and find it, subscribe, and every time there's a video that is shared there, you will be able to receive some notification. Now, number one, we'll talk about the 3%. How does it happen with the trade? You do your first trade, you get in, how much you started? Simple, $2,500. Maybe we can say $100. You've already activated the bot. Okay? Now, from this amount, you take 300 Rand. Boom. You enter your trade. You take 2% from the market. This is the balance now you have, 300 plus. Second trade, you go for it. It comes out with 2%. This is the compounded amount. Third trade, same thing. Profit, final amount. Last trade in 18 months, compounding, take profit, $106,477. I can just tell you that it is over $1 million in 18 months that you can benefit out of this by helping the bot, making it exciting. When people are saying there's no money and you know how to make it. These are the settings for that. We have the bull run strategy, whereby instead of focusing on one trade, now we have multiple trades signals in order to minimize the risk and to be more effective. So meaning that these strategy settings for the bull run, you enter same amount, $15. You've got more money, $50, $100, and more. It's up to you. Margin call limit, we've got now 5 on this strategy. Profit, we're taking 2% in the market. Now, callback, that is 0.1%. Take profit callback. Buy in callback, that is 0.1%. This is one-shot trading, ladies and gentlemen. Very important on your matching configuration. You can see you've got the first call, it is 0.2% times 1. And of course, the second call, it is 0.2% times 1. And the third call, it is 0.4% times 1. And fourth call, it is 1% times 1. Last call, it is 2% times 1. Money magic. You simply confirm and you save, you start and you connect another coin. You connect another coin. We've got so many coins on this. Brilliant coins. Brilliant coins. STMX. I mean, you've got WIF. You've got WLD. You've got so many auction. You've got so many. JTO. There's so many coins that you can win on this one and make more money, make more 3% in a day, and others are killing it as we speak. Very important, ladies and gentlemen, you can share everything that I've just shared to you, either passive income or one shot. So this is the sharing part of you as a business. You can treat it like that. And how to earn. You've got the bot trading as well when it trades for you, when you've connected all the solid coins, and you've got one shot where you can win with the other top 20 coins that can benefit you here. And also you've got the team trading. Wow. The team trading, this is the part where it involves other people. You get to build a team in order to trade as a team for you to make more money. That is why you've got the reason now why we're going out there, why we are sharing the business. Expert can do it without any issues. Non-expert beginners can do it without any issues. Bot activation, think of the past. You're not going to be worried about that because you are making money and you are getting commission. Now, bot renewal, you're not going to worry about that because you are getting commission. Again, gas fees. You know, today others that are doing one shot and passive income, they will be talking about gas fees. You're not going to be worried about that when you share the business, which is very, very awesome. Now, rank qualifications. This is the potential earnings. This is just 15 days calculations taken. And why? Because we don't know the market, if it's going to be good to us for the entire month, or just for 15 days, or maybe for 2 days, or maybe for 3 days. But we just made calculations in just 15 days. Now, we'll start with VIP2. VIP2, in order for you to qualify, you need to have 3 individuals connected to your link. And team, you need to have a team of 20 individuals that are active, and plus or minus 3,000 rands. It is yours monthly. Now, very important, the VIP3, we talk about 5 that are direct connected to you. And we're talking about, that is 3 lines of VIP2s that are also in your team. And also you've got 100 in your team that are there in order for you to make plus or minus, that is 15,000. Thank you, Pindi. I see you there. Now, VIP4, now you've got 8 that are directly connected to you, and 3 lines of VIP3s that are there, and also 300 individuals in your team, and also you are plus or minus 143,000 richer. Now, VIP5, that means you are sitting at exactly, that is 12 direct individuals in your team, and we don't have a VIP. I don't think we have a VIP5 in South Africa, VIP4. We might have a VIP3, but we don't have a VIP4 in South Africa as far as I know. If we do have, maybe it's just 1 or 2 people in that space. Now, you just have to have 3 lines that are directly connected of VIP4s in your team, and also a team of 800. You are 290,000 richer. VIP6, that is 20 direct, and also 3 VIP5s that are connected in your team, different lines, and also 1,500 of the overall team. You are 1.4 million richer, which is very, very beautiful. Let's talk about the benefit of VIP1 as you activate your bot, which is $120 plus or minus 2,500, and you enroll one person, you are taking 500 rands home. Now, very importantly, that is $30. Now connected to your link. If you decide to multiply this one individual by 20 in 1 month, you are sitting on exactly 11,500. Now, this number of 20 individuals, you help them connect their wallets and their Binance and everything like that. Guess what? 80% goes to the client, 20% goes to the gas fees. As a person that is sharing the business, you will be sharing with the company on the gas fees. That is 20%. How much are you taking out of this 20%? As a VIP1 is 20% again. Let's assume that the person that you have invited to the business, this is James, came in on board and he's making $100 a day. The company RoyalQ is taking 20%, which is $20. Now, James is taking $80 home. Now, you are taking 20% out of the $20 from the company, which is $4 daily if James is making money, daily when the market is good. Now, very importantly, if you've got 12 James, 20 James, that is $4 times 20 in 1 day, which is very, very beautiful. Now, let's talk about the VIP2 benefits. You now enroll one individuals, you are no longer getting $500, now you are making $800. Meaning that when you connect 20 of James, you are now potentially sitting at 15,200 a month based on your work that you brought in. Now, it doesn't end there because you already have 20 individuals there of James, and you can make 30% out of that. How much is that? Let's assume James is making $100. The company is taking $20. You are taking 30%, which is $6. All of the 20 James are making $100 a day. You are making $6 times 20, which is very, very excellent. It doesn't end there. When the 20 James are sharing the business, you've got people that are coming on board. You've got people that are coming on board. They are coming on board, and they are coming on board. This is the team. This is the team coming on board, and you are killing it. You are making all of those $200. No, 200 rands. Sorry, not dollars. 200 rands. Just by helping building the team and helping the team build their team, you will be getting this. Until when? Until that individual has reached your rank and you'll no longer get it. Not unless you move to the next rank. So if you move to this rank, you'll definitely get. How much? Let's see. These are the benefits of VIP3. You enroll a new person on board, you are now getting 1,000 rand, which is $50. Now you decide to multiply this game by 20 James. You are sitting at 20,000 to you. Done. These 100 individuals have connected their money and they are trading one shot, or the board is trading passively for them. You are now sitting at 40% daily. When the market is good, this 40% is magical because you are making money. Now, very importantly, let's assume James is earning, as we know, $100. The company is taking $20. You are taking 40%, which is $8. That means a day out of 100 James earning $100 in a day, you are taking $8. $8 multiplied by 100, possible, maybe not, maybe by 20, I don't know. But helping your team to make more money will help you to make more money. When the team of 100 is working, you are now sitting at 400 rand whenever they introduce a new person. Done. When they are ranking up, you are getting 10%. which is very, very beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, you can have your own strategy. This is the most effective strategy that you can benefit from. And we're saying charity begins at home. We're saying you cannot share, you cannot give 50 rand at the robots when you don't have it. You cannot give a 2 rands to the kakat or 5 rands when you don't have it. You cannot share to families when you don't have it. So the best thing is to build yourself. One of the pastors said, you cannot give when you don't have, because even God does not allow that. You cannot be poor while you want to give. What are you going to give? Nothing. So you need to make something in order to give something. Now, very importantly, you can start this as a family structure or a friendship structure whereby you equip yourselves in order to give to other people. You focus on your team, you hit it to 20 individuals. You take a link from here, you connect this account. You take it to 20 licenses as well. You take a link from here, you connect this account. You take it to 20 licenses as well. This can take you some time. A link from here as well, you connect this one. You take it to 20 licenses. You do the same. And you do the same here. And you do the same. What you have done, you have connected 5 individuals that have achieved a rank of VIP 2s. Now, these 5 individuals are sitting at 20. This is 20 multiplied by 5. It is 100. You are already on your way to be a VIP 3 advanced broker. Now, simple. You need to have minimum of 5. Once you've got a minimum of 5 connected to your link, you become a VIP what? VIP 3. Now, financial-wise, 11,000 multiplied by 6 accounts, you're sitting at 69,000. Plus the 200 that comes when your team is working, it amounts to 20,000. In total, this is 89,000 to you or your organization. Now, building a company or online business with a company, also it's very good for you, because when it comes to SARS, you don't have much to answer. They are very strict when it comes to personal individuals. Now, when you look at this again, if you connected quality on your Binance, people that are trading, people that are making money, you are training your team, they become quality. You should be hitting about 57,000 on a monthly basis, minimum on this line. But if you haven't connected quality, obviously, at least you have VIP 3, you can just learn and start connecting quality so that the following month you can earn even much better. Now, very important, ladies and gentlemen, if you like what I shared, you can follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, you can get a link from the person that has invited you and register, and make sure that you fill in the you use the same app to download the link, to download the app, sorry. So once you've downloaded the app, you log into the app, you'll be required to answer 3 questions. You choose the questions. Ladies and gentlemen, don't make this mistake. Very importantly, when you do your answers, when you just fill in your answers, just when you are done, take a screenshot or write them down as they are, capital letter to capital letter. Why? Because when you have forgotten your password, when you lost your password, because many of us are making a mistake whereby when you log in, you just don't want to log in automatically. Soon, you are logged out and you don't know what to do. When you look at you want to recover, they want the answers. You don't know what to do. But if you took a screenshot, exactly, you have the solution. So, which is very, very, very powerful. So please remember to do that. Now, very importantly, here, you can activate your account by just sending 110. This should be in dollars. So this is $140, ladies and gentlemen. So $140 to your Real Q, and $120 will activate the bot, and of course, $20 will be for gas fees. So $20 will be for gas fees. and this bot will take care of you for 12 months. Whenever you run out of $20, it means you are making money, so you can send a little bit in your back office in that area. Very importantly, please join us on Sunday as well. 2 p.m. is the time where the Palace Hotel in Durban North, and make sure that you join the team as we are sharing a few places. We are growing. It's very, very nice to be there. So please join us. Mr. Maziana shared a powerful presentation last Sunday, and I can't wait for this Sunday. So it's going to be awesome. Now, ladies and gentlemen, 7 days a week, 8 p.m., we are here as well on Zoom, sharing the business as well. So please join us in terms of that. And also we've got amazing trainings in between that we have, and also so much to share. So thank you for joining the session. And if you've got any questions, I'll leave them to Mr. Maziana and everything on the chat. So thank you.